Hey guys, so today we will be going to Holywell for a morning hike. So this was at a soldier training camp, so we passed that on our way up. So we had just arrived Holywell. They had this wonderful little cafe called Blue Drew. You know, the food was pricey, but it looked good. We didn't eat anything there, but it looked good. It was such a wonderful and peaceful journey. Me, my aunt, my cousins, rain started to fall, and we never turned back. We actually stayed in the rain and enjoyed ourselves. So it was a 1 hour and 44 minutes hike. Hiking is our little thing, so you guys can see a lot of hiking from me, but so the rain only made the hike much better. We got lunch from Cafe Blue just down the road. We went to their little museum where we see Nani and everything. But it was a good experience. So thank you guys.